Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Good morning, good afternoon. How are you guys doing today? If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. So I'll be making some vegetable beef sauce today. Yeah, white sauce for I can use it for rice, pasta, or potatoes. So please, when you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe. So have here, I already cut and sliced my vegetables. This is some onions, carrots, and some zucchini. I'll be using some frozen vegetables as well, and that's my fresh pepper, and that's my meat. So join me as I make this delicious food. That's my vegetable oil here already. So I will start by putting my onions. I didn't bother to put any garlic or ginger because already I'm using garlic and ginger to cook my beef already. So I'm just going to start putting my onions. So I will just stir and wait for a while for the onions to cook a little bit before I will add my pepper. And then this is a very easy recipe, very fast and easy vegetable meat sauce to make. So I'm just going to add my pepper. I like spicy. It's going to be so spicy. So I'm just doing with what I have at home. Normally, when I make this recipe, I used to use some paprika, red paprika, green paprika, and yellow paprika. But I don't have that right now at home, so you can also include that. I have some mixed vegetables here, so I have in this mixed vegetable they have yellow paprika and red paprika is also inside. Normally I used to use the fresh one, so but I'm just doing with what I have at home now. So just go ahead and add everything. Adding all my vegetables in there. So this is coming out nicely. So I'm going to add my frozen vegetables. You can see the frozen vegetables have some broccoli, paprika, red paprika, yellow paprika, has some mushrooms inside also. So just going to add that. So now I'm going to add some seasoning. It's my chicken stock seasoning. I'm going to add some salt. Just add some little thyme and some curry. Just some. So then I turn to see. You don't want to overcook this because you know it's vegetable. Just slightly cook it This is so nice, looking nice already. So I will just leave it a little bit on a low heat so that the ingredients can come together and soak inside the vegetable. So I'm going to cut my beef into stripes. So I'm just going to add in my meat. So this sauce is almost done. I'm just going to add in my mixed corn flour. You can use corn flour or you can use any flour of your choice. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing now. So you see, this is 1 cup of water. So I'm just going to mix in my flour here. So I finished mixing that, so I'm just going to add it to my sauce on a low heat. So you are going to leave it on a low heat because this is a sauce. You don't want it to be too thick, or you don't want it to be watery. So you just want it to be a sauce. So this is how it's coming up. It's already done. I'm just going to leave it for 1 minute and then I will take it off the heat. So this is ready. I'm going to serve it and then you can see how it goes. Thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and God bless you. This is looking so nice. So it's time to try this out. You can see my beautiful sauce. All the vegetables are still intact. It's not overcooked. So it's time to try this. You can eat this with rice, with pasta, with potatoes, whatever you want to eat it with, it can go. Wow, it's so nice. It's hot. So